Okay, so here is the review of the KitchenAid hand mixer. So these are the on-off buttons, and then you would just press this up to be able to go higher speed. When you cut it off and then cut it back on again, it does start back at the low speed. And then this would be the injection button. With these particular beaters, if you notice, one has an open hole, and then the other one, the beater has the little extra piece onto here, so they do go in specific slots for that. Now I am making scrubs. These are body scrubs, and definitely this mixture can get a little bit thicker, so it needs some more power to be able to get through all of it. This is shea butter, cocoa butter, okay. So I always start on a lower speed to make sure we don't kick anything up. But I would absolutely say that the reason why I bought this mixer, which there are other mixers that are like it, but because the beaters are rounded instead of flat like the other types, that when you come out of the mixture and try to get off any extra that may be sitting on the beaters, there isn't a whole lot left on the beater to try to clean off. Okay, so it's getting a little bit thicker, so I'm going to bump up the speed again. Its highest speed. So just coming out of the batter just that little bit, and you can see how minimal amount is left onto here. So like I said, I know that there are other mixers that do have this type of beater versus the ones that are flat, but this one was like the best value for the speed that it offered, or the horsepower, I guess, that it offers, because you do have to be aware that some say it would be a 5-speed mixer, but the amount of power going to those 5 speeds is less than what some other ones. So I definitely enjoy the mixer.